Hi! In front of me is SONY XPERIA Z5 Premium, and today I would like to show you how you can change device theme of this smartphone. First of all, you need to access settings. Now select themes. Pick the best one for you. I will go with that one, fruit salad. Select download. Wait a bit. And then click on it over here. Lastly, select Apply Theme and click Home button. As you can see, theme of my device has changed, but you can always go back into the default one by selecting Settings one more time, clicking on Themes, and this time selecting one of those default ones, like blue. Then choose Apply Theme and click OK in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!